Hey guys, and welcome back to Ask Mia. This week we're going to be talking about the fall home maintenance that you need to get done, just some things to think about doing this year as we get into the winter season. So the first thing, it's really important to check your smoke detector batteries. Always check these periodically, but fall is a really great time to remind yourself to do it. If your batteries are dying, make sure to put new ones in your smoke detector. The next thing you want to do is change your air filters. You probably have a lot of dust and pet dander in there. These should probably be switched out monthly, but seasonally is fine too. And then also go around your home if you have ceiling fans and switch them to reverse, because this will actually help the ceiling fans blow warm air through your home instead of cooling them down.
That's right. Yep, and there's plenty of outdoor maintenance items to take care of as well. First and foremost, it's important to winterize your sprinkler systems and your outdoor faucets. If water freezes in the pipes, it can cause them to burst, and you could flood the crawl space, which is never fun. In addition to that, you definitely want to clean out your chimney. If you have a wood-burning chimney, you can leave behind tons of bad stuff you really don't want to be burning inside your house, so it's important to have a fire marshal come and check your chimney out, or have a chimney sweep come and clean it. And finally, this will be more towards the end of fall, but you're going to want to clean out your gutters. As the leaves fall, they clog up our gutters, and it can cause a lot of blockage and
prevent the rain from getting through your gutters
Right.
and direct it away from your home.
Right, so this is also a good opportunity to repair any damaged gutters, and if you have any downspouts that aren't draining away from the house, you'll want to take care of that as well.